Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I will be showing you how to download photos from iPhone to computer. So guys, first thing is just simply go ahead and plug in your iPhone into your computer, and after that a pop-up window will show up into your iPhone, and just simply allow the access to trust the device. And once you have allowed it guys, it will let you provide your device passcode in order for you to proceed. And on your computer, you will have these options: import photos from Apple iPhone. Now, once you have provided your password, you will just simply select open import. Now guys, from here, just simply select the specific photo that you want, and you will have an option add over here. So click add over here, and pretty much you could just simply transfer it into your computer using the OneDrive, or you could go ahead and create a new folder based on your preferences. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and go for create over here and select the file and select import in order for you to proceed with that process. And as you can see, 4 items were successfully imported from Apple iPhone to the iPhone folder that I have, and pretty much I should be able to transfer the photos. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.